Good afternoon. My name is Bogs again, and today we are taking step forward to support the Filipino MSMEs. A while ago, a lot of tech tools have been discussed. AI, hype na hype, diba? But now we're going to talk about the foundation on which these tools run. All these tools will not run without the internet. And in running a business nowadays, internet speed is king. Hindi pwede mabagal yan. Hindi rin pwede unstable. Kaya ngayon, we're launching solutions that are fast, reliable, flexible, and solutions that can fully support these tools na talagang designed for the MSMEs. Right, let's face it. Slow internet is a major business problem. Imagine ang customer na ready na sana magbayad. Dahil nag-lag yung internet, yung POS niya hindi gumana, or point of sale device or equipment. Or meron Zoom meeting with a potential customer sana. Kaya lang, yung video mo nag-buffer or yung audio mo nag-lag. Ngayon, hindi na kayo magkaintindihan. Sadly, many of the businesses are affected. Pag maraming devices na yung nakakonect sa Wi-Fi, kinakain na ng malaki